أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today I would like to talk about the incidents or discussion between Nabi Muhammad SAW and Jibreel. There's one time when Jibreel came down and the Prophet Muhammad SAW was wondering about what not what things or what are or what are the places that Allah likes the most. So he asked Jibreel which place that Allah loved the most in this earth. It must be something or somewhere that Allah likes the most. He answered him, Allah loved the most is mosque, masjid. Like in the Quran said, وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ. It's like all the mosque is to Allah, for Allah. So it means in every mosque in this world, people only worship Allah. So he said, Jibreel answered the Nabi Muhammad ﷺ. He said, he loved the most is the mosque, which is masjid. And what he loves about it, those who comes first, early, the earliest people who goes into the mosque, and he loves who goes out the last. So which means those first group who goes in, that's what he loves the most about the mosque, and those last who goes out of the mosque, because they do more. If you want to be both sides, some they will come early, but maybe they're not going to wait until the end, so they will get one part. If some will come a bit late, but they will go the last, so they'll get the last part. But if you want to get both, you have to come early until the last, then you go out. It's up to you. And then, but when Nabi Muhammad asked Jibreel alayhi salam about this, so he was wondering, so if there is a place that Allah loves the most, so it means maybe there is a place that Allah does dislike. So he asked Jibreel alayhi salam, he said, which is the place that Allah disliked the most on this earth? Jibreel answered him, Al-Aswaq, which is the markets. Does not mean anything, any market. Supermarket or big market, small market, as long as there is selling and buying. In Arabic we call it Al-Aswaq. So why he said like that? And then he asked him how. Is it the same like the mosque? Is Jibreel said he disliked the one who comes early to it, and he disliked the one who leaves the last from all those markets. Which means some people goes to the supermarket or whatever market, have not even opened yet, have to wait for them. Those are the Allah dislike about it. Or those who goes to the market and wait until close. So which means here Allah is telling us that when you go there, the conclusion of it, that you have to go in and because you need something. Not you go in there because you want to go or you want to have fun, no. You go there because you need something, you buy it, you go out. You don't spend long time there. And maybe the other things is because some people when they do selling, they swear, they say, no, this is my profit not that much when you discuss, and then it becomes sometimes because you want to buy, you want to sell, the buyer dislike what the seller is is saying, and then the seller does not like the way the buyer is bargaining. You know, all those things happen in the market. And some of them, because they want to sell more and more, they go to the mosque late, you know, when the time of prayers. So all those things happen. So it's connected. You see, when you are busy doing the dunya, you eventually forget about this. So that's why you have to remember all the time, especially those people who work inside there. when the time of your prayers, you have to leave. Go to the mosque, go to the musalla and pray. So, and we have to be careful of it, because when Allah dislike it, it means there must be a good reason behind it. Wallahu a'lam.